fact she could do that with that big old belly.
Oh, that's so cute.
It's slick in here, so it's hard for her, but if she gets good traction, she'll actually hold it.
That's impressive.
Oh, say good piggy. Emery, say good piggy. Good piggy. What noise does a piggy make? Yeah. Lunge at her.
Keep your head flat.
Did you feed the piggy? Did you feed the piggy?
Yeah.
Peace. Oh.
Second, because it takes a little while to eat the skin.
Isn't it cute?
What is that freaking brown? Who is that one?
It's eating a grape.
Is it brown?
It's black.
It's black?
Yeah. Emery, go pet it. Go pet it. It doesn't bite. It loves. It only loves.
Yeah, just go slow and be very gentle.
Oh, she just smelling you.
You know how doggies sniff you?
Yeah.
And she's got a big nose, too.
Big pig nose.
Excited.
Emery, no hitting. She just smacked it. Emery, we don't hit anything. People and animals, you do not hit them.
And piggies.
No piggies. No hitting piggies. You're gentle with piggies. It's a baby.
It's a sweet
Baby,
piggy.
you had pigeons?
You laying down, Lily? Huh? You laying down, girl? Can you oink? You laying down? You want your belly rubbed? Want your belly rubbed? Hmm? Rub her belly and she'll turn over. Don't push her over.
She'll roll over by herself and you just pet her. Just pet her like this. You've been struggling with it.
Did you pet the piggy? What did you just do?
I just hit him.
I'm recording you. Say, this is Lily the pig.
Gagu's in the car.
Gagu's in the car.
We're going to leave soon, though, because we have to get lunch. How come
Gagu's in the car.
I think we're going to leave.
Gagu's in the car. We're going to go in the car with Gagu, okay? Okay? Oink, oink. It answered me, Emery. Judy does it good.